Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kiarie Prestige doing a live stream broadcasting from Seattle, Washington, Pacific West Television. We are in 22nd floor, and this is your show, your lovely show. This is Sunday 29, and your host is Kiarie Prestige. Do not tell that dial. Yes, I can receive your call. You want a song? Which one? The goodness of the Lord? Yes, stay there. Another call? Hi, Lydian. Calling from where? Berryview? Yes, yes. You want a song? Oh, you're sending greetings. Welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your best show. This is Sunday. This is worship hour. Your host once again is Kiarie Prestige, broadcasting live from Seattle, Washington, 22nd floor, Pacific Towers. Thank you. Yes, we're gonna go for a short break. Do not touch that dial. I'll be back shortly. Thank you.
You are watching Pacific Waves Television, USA, a place of nourishment.